So look at our amazing club sandwich. They're ready. So let's give them a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Siri Mashid and welcome back to Food Street. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an ultimate club sandwich at home. और उसके साथ हम बनाएंगे homemade fries. So let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's continue. What I got here is a pot जिसमें पानी है और we'll have our chicken ready. सबसे पहले मैं breast fillet लूँगा और इसको boil करने रख दूँगा. What I'm gonna add is couple of spices with it. जो कि सबसे पहले जाएगा इसमें a bit of salt, almost half a teaspoon. I'm also gonna throw in 2 cloves of garlic as well, and 2 to 3 green chilies इसके साथ डाल दूँगा मैं. उसको इस तरह half करके, and that's it. So these are all the items that's gonna go, and let's wait for our chicken to be ready, to be boiled. और जैसे cook हो जाती है, then I'm gonna take you through the next steps. So as you can see, chicken को मैंने boil already हो चुकी है, उसको मैंने shred कर लिया था. So meanwhile what I'm gonna do कि 2 slices ले लिए, इसको मैं toast करूँगा. और meanwhile जब तक हमारा toast ready होगा, what we can do कि हम mayo वगैरह और बाकी sauces जो हैं उसको ready कर सकते हैं. So I'll take a bit of mayo. और जो high quality के जो club sandwiches होते हैं उसमें Desjardin sauce डलती है, जो कि combination of होता है mustard and mayonnaise, जो कि इसके taste को amazing कर देता है. So this is exactly what we're gonna use. We're gonna use the two together, and this is what we're gonna use as a spread. So this is ready now. So what I'm gonna do, same thing again. Chicken को थोड़ा सा mix कर लेंगे in mayo, और साथ में add करेंगे salt and pepper. So I'm gonna do it quickly. Add a bit of mayo, और उसमें add करूँगा pinch of salt, क्योंकि salt already chicken में added हुआ हुआ है, so I won't be using too much of a salt, and a pinch of pepper as well. In fact, that should be good enough. And let me mix these first. और उसके बाद I'll take our shredded chicken, जो कि इसमें थोड़ा सा mix कर लूँगा. In case I need more, we can add some more to it as well. तो इसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे, और जो हमारी and our chicken is well mixed in, and this is what we're gonna use. So I think our toast are ready, और इसके लिए 3 toast चाहिए होंगे. So I'm gonna add the 3rd slice of a bread toast होने के लिए. इसको साइड पर रखते हैं. So another thing we would need is मैंने 2 boiled eggs ले लिए थे, जिसको हम slice कर लेंगे like this. So this is done. और eggs are sliced. उसको मैं किसी plate में रख लूँगा. So I'm gonna add these into a plate. I think my eggs are stuck, so let me take it out. So हमारा egg यहाँ रख लेंगे, and I have another egg as well, जिसको मैं slice कर लूँगा. So I'm gonna slice the egg too, क्योंकि I think मेरा slicer properly work नहीं कर रहा है. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna slice it like this. इसको हम यहाँ रख देंगे. Meanwhile, first up, जो हमारा पहला बैटर जो हमने यूज किया है, that batter is gonna go on top of our first bread. अच्छे से mix it together ताकि spread it right across. Second thing is we would add the same mixture of our Desjardin sauce. ये जाएगा दूसरे वाले पे, and we'll add the chicken on top. We'll add the chicken on top, and this is gonna go on top as well, और इसके ऊपर we'll apply the batter all over again. ये हमारी जो sauce है right across, and I think our toast is ready also. So what I'm gonna do is इसके ऊपर जाता है slice lettuce and a bit of tomato. I think that should be good enough. I'm gonna add a bit of egg as well, sliced anda. In fact, that's something I should be adding before adding our tomatoes. So sliced egg and our tomatoes on top. This should be good enough. And then sauce इस पे third slice पे apply करेंगे. And this is it, voila. So इसको यहाँ से squeeze करेंगे from here. And what I'm gonna do is I'll add 4 sides पे toothpick जो कि इसको hold करेगी. Hold करेगी, and then we'll take our edges off. So इसके जो edges हैं वो खत्म. और सारा जो excess है वो remove हो जाएगा, and we'll have a perfect club sandwich. So it looks messy, of course, लेकिन this is how you make club sandwich. And let me cut into 4 pieces and then we'll do the tasting in a bit. So our ultimate club sandwich are ready. So they look stunning. और इसमें मैंने ये किया था कि in these ones, right, I added slice of cheese as well, कि अगर आपको पसंद हो or whatever. So before you try, make sure कि toothpick निकली भी हो. And let's give it a bite. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amazing. It tastes absolutely amazing. I don't wanna try without fries. These are the homemade fries which I made. So guys, give it a try and you will love it. Hope to see you in the next video, inshallah.